Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how Binance future trading works for beginners. If you have already learned spot trading and want to take the next step, this guide is for you. Open the Binance app, go to the future section and select the USD M futures market. Choose the trading pair you want such as ETH or BTC and analyze the chart before entering a trade. Decide whether you want to go long if you expect the price to rise or short if you think the price will fall. Next, select your margin type, set a low leverage if you're a beginner, transfer funds to your future wallet, and enter the amount you want to trade. Always set a stop loss to manage risk and consider using a take profit order to secure gains automatically. That's the basic process of trading futures on Binance. Start small, practice proper risk management, and trade responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.